Hi guys, and welcome to the Colorful Gardener. My name is Josh, and today we're going to be taking a look at this beautiful garden behind me. This is my jungle garden. If you're new here, go ahead and consider subscribing for more gardening tips and tutorial videos. Okay guys, let's just go ahead and get into this. This garden behind me is my favorite garden right now. This is the jungle garden, and it is loaded, absolutely loaded with color right now, and I'm so proud of it. This garden came a long way. I'll put a picture of what it used to look like. It was super sad. It was just horrible red clay, and it has come a long way from now. And I just want to do a little garden tour and show you what is growing and what is done well here in the upstate South Carolina, Zone 8A. It just blows me away. And there's some new things in here that we'll talk about. So let's just go ahead and get into it. So we'll start over here. Let's see. Right there in my corner is RUDBECKIA GOLDSTURM. It is a great plant. I love the bright, there we go. RUDBECKIA GOLDSTURM. Say hi, Sophie. Right there on my shoulder. Excellent plant. Great for the jungle garden. Great for native pollinators. I definitely put it in here because I love bright colors, and I'm using jewel tones. And what I mean by jewel tones, I got that word from Monty Don from Gardener's World, and I kind of copied him, mostly copied the idea from him, using bright colors to make this garden really stand out in my back garden. This is my oasis that I've created. Maybe Monty Don is looking at it and watching it. It would absolutely make my day if he did. Somebody send this link to him. That would, like I said, make my day. He's a big hero to me, and so is Carol Klein. Really big hero to me. Anyway, so let's go ahead and just look at a couple of things. This is called Marigold Deep Orange, and I grew this from seed, and I absolutely love this plant. It has grown to about 3 feet. It grows really well with this yucca behind me, and it is blooming its head off since May. It is the middle of August, and it just looks fantastic. The only work I have to do with it is just deadhead this plant, just to keep the flowers going. It absolutely loves this heat and humidity that I have. It is just going bonkers, and I will grow this plant every year, and especially from seed, which was super easy. I just used the tomato method, where I just put a bunch of seeds down in a pot and let them all grow out, and then I thin them out, put them in their own pots, and there's just all the way down. It looks so good. All right, so what else do we see? We see in the back, I think that's RUDBECKIA HERBSTONNE. Wonderful yellow jewel tone in the back there. It's looking really good. This yucca color guard looks really good. It's a great evergreen plant. Really love that. Let's see what else we got here. So, can you see that red pole in the back? I painted some bamboo poles to provide some wow color, especially red. Red is a color I don't really have a lot of. And it is pretty tall. That's probably about 15 feet tall, and it is still getting smothered by all the plants. Yeah, you can see in the back the cannas have gone absolutely bonkers. They are loving our heat and humidity here in South Carolina. You know, if you want plants to do really well, definitely grow plants that love your weather. The cannas, elephant ears, bananas absolutely love the southeast. You can see right there, there is some purple perilla. This is an annual, great for tea. Kind of a thug. It will set seed and take over, but you know what? I want it to, because I love that purple foliage with that. This is CANNA Bengal Tiger. I absolutely love it. And then you've got the CANNA Deep Orange. Looks great. Let's see what else we got here. So there are 2 types of marigolds I've grown from seed. There's Marigold Deep Orange, and then there's like Marigold. There's a smaller one I have right here. It's called ZENITH Red. Let's see, there we go. ZENITH Red, and it is a shorter variety. I put it near close to the edge of the border. Great plant as well. It's just a shorter variety of deep orange, and I will definitely be growing that from seed every year as a keeper. They're both the same shade of orange for sure, but if you want one that's really tall or really short, there's just different varieties that you can choose from. Like I said, Zenith Red is for shorter, and then Deep Orange is for a taller height. Great CANNA Bengal Tiger, looking good. I'm going to keep this tour really short. What I love about Jungle Gardens is that it provides such fascinating textures with foliage. So I don't heavily rely on flowers. I do rely on a lot more foliage. But yeah, you can see those poles in the back. They're being swallowed alive. Right here to my right is Tetrapanax caporifera. Great plant for a jungle garden. It does run a little bit, so I will suggest that if you are ready for that to happen in your garden. If you don't want that to happen, I would not suggest planting this plant. I know what's going to happen with this plant. I'm keeping an eye on it, make sure it doesn't run too bad. But I love the foliage. Oh, it's like an elephant ear, but a little more elegant, a little more just different than an elephant ear. To my left right here is Arundodontax peppermint sticks. It is a beautiful variegated plant. It has been kind of slow. This is about its third year in the garden, and it really hasn't taken off, which I'm kind of sad. I wish it was getting a lot bigger, but it's doing its thing slowly. It loves water, which in this red clay I have, it kind of not very happy. I'll just see what happens with it. The variegated foliage is kind of rare in this garden. I wanted to see if it looked good, so we'll see. More marigolds. So much marigolds. Love it. Absolutely love it. Let's see what else we got going on. So bright out. It just looks so good. More Canna purpurea. You got the bananas looking good. And then that plant right there, that's called Manihot Gramii, and it is a hardy tapioca here in the upstate. Totally hardy for me. Absolutely love it. It drops little babies, so I have little baby plants all over the garden, and I can't wait to divide them up and give them to friends and plant them elsewhere in the garden. They just have such a cool foliage to them. Really nice. Let's see. Oh, this is Maltheptus. This is a fern, and it is commonly called tree fern. It grows up to my hip, if not higher. Let's see. You can see, yeah, it's quite large, and it slowly creeps around. So do keep an eye on it. I love it because it just looks so tropical looking. So nice. Yeah. Let's see what else we have. That's the cactus garden, so that kind of ends the jungle garden. So I'll do a little shot so you can see everything. And that's my jungle garden, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I wanted to make this really short and sweet. The mosquitoes are eating me alive right now. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Like this video, you can save it so you can look for it later. Share it with your friends. Please share this video. Help this channel grow. I'm trying to get back into doing videos. We'll see what happens, but I'm glad I could show you guys. I've been really looking forward to showing you guys this jungle garden. Alright guys, I'll see you guys later. Bye.